Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video will be a donut recipe, keto friendly. And for those non-keto, you guys are going to love them too because you don't have to be on keto just to eat these donuts. They are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I did find it on Pinterest, by the way, so I'll link that down below. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy. So starting off with dry ingredients, 1 cup almond flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/3 cup sweetener, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, but in my case I used pink salt, and we're going to give that a quick mix. Now for the wet ingredients, we're using 3 tablespoons melted butter, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, and 2 eggs. I'd like to put mine one by one, give it a quick mix, and then add the other egg. Alrighty, now that we have both the wet and dry ingredients, go ahead and dump half of the wet ingredients into the dry and fold it in. I'd prefer folding instead of mixing it with a whisk or a hand mixer, but whatever you'd prefer. And then dump in the rest and fold it until you get this. It's like a kind of gooey peanut butter texture that you should have. Now into your donut pan, go ahead and dump about 1 teaspoon to have that perfect round donut shape. They might be a little too thin, but you can always add more to get a thicker, fluffier donut. And into the oven at 350 for 22 to 28 minutes. I prefer 22 to 25, and in my case I put 25 minutes. Voila! This is the finished product. There's Lena. Hello! This is our finished product, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Let me show you guys exactly how fluffy they are. This one, okay, out of everything, this is the only one that crumbled. Here. You don't want to try it? But you had them last time. Oh, you want your own? Mm-hmm. That one. Okay, get it. Okay, put it back. Put the lid back. Puts it on the table. Oops. There you go.
Okay.
Go ahead. Eat your donut.
Okay.
It's not hot. You're just being funny.
I'm your cat. 9.
9? 10 out of 9? Wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, these are really, really good. Moisty.